So hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna be doing the bag braid challenge. So hi everyone, so today's video I'm gonna be doing the bag braid challenge. Today I'm gonna be showing you the bag that I always use, and this bag is ito yung ginagamit ko lagi whenever I go outside. And so, itong bag na to is, ito yung lagi kong ginagamit. And dito sa US, ito yung uso na bag. Like, everyday bag. Kung gusto mong pumunta sa cafe to get a coffee and to work some of your files. Or like me, mag-edit ng video. This is what I love to use. Yeah, it's a tote bag. So this challenge requested by my friend Janine. So this is her YouTube. Please don't forget to subscribe and like her videos and watch all of them, okay? Malayo tayo kasi malapit tayo masyado. Yan. Better? So okay, let's go through my bag. What's inside of my bag if I go outside to get a coffee and to work with my videos. And yeah. So first thing first. So first na dinadala ko pag pupunta ko sa labas, of course, the laptop. So I can edit my videos habang nagkakape, ganyan. Not really kape kasi ang lagi kong in-order is a matcha latte. Item. This is the first item sa aking bag. Whenever I go outside, I always bring my laptop with me para maka-edit ako ng videos and mag-load ng K-drama. Yeah, I am a fan of K-drama. So, ito yung bago kong laptop and I'll show you my old laptop. So, nakauna ang aking old laptop. So, this is my old laptop. Small. I love this laptop kasi maliit lang siya, magaan, and pero mahina na siya, guys. Naglalag na siya lagi. This is lighter than this one kasi itong malaki na siya. And look at the difference. So, ayan. So, for the second item, of course, whenever I go outside, I always bring my water with me. So, here's my water bottle kasi pag bibili ka pa ng water mo sa labas, mahal na siya. It's $3 for one bottle, so it's free. Always drink your water. Drink your water, beach. Sabi nga ni Mimi, oh. So, inside of my bag, meron din maliliit na pouches. I have pouches para naman hindi nakakalat-kalat lang ang ating gamit sa loob. So, I have 2 pouches, and this one is the pouch from Emirates. I love Emirates so much. Yep, I'm Scorpio. So I'm a Scorpio, guys. So wait, papakita ko muna yung hindi nakalagay sa pouch. So first, I always have my mask with me. Kahit wala pang COVID, guys, I always use mask. Pag lumalabas ako kasi ma-allergy akong tao. Kasi ngayon sa US, it's pollen season. Kaya pag nasa labas ako, lagi ako nag-sneeze. I have a sinus, so lagi akong anong tawag dyan, yeah, I always sneeze outside and I don't want to be, and of course, iba pa nga natin para makita. Ang taas kasi ang taas ng camera ko, hindi ko siya ma-adjust. So anyway, ito yung laman ng bag ko. Marami kang malalagay sa bag kasi it's big. And pag sinusuot mo siya, hindi naman siya ganyan kalaki. That's why I like this bag. And yeah. So, may mask tayo of course. And my allergy tayo pag spraying up my medicine with me. Yeah, I take Claritin for my allergy, pollen allergy. So, Claritin baka naman. Let's move on to the pouches. So, for my pouches, I have, bakit nandito to? I have this empty bottle, small bottle of my favorite perfume. Meron ako dito yung malaki. Pero hindi pa siya open. So, pero may kunti pa naman. So, this is what I like. This is what kahit may sinus ako, sige, pabango pa rin. Tara naman mabango tayo pag may nakakasalamuha tayo, diba? So yeah, I have perfume with me. And I have this. Alam niyo ba to kung ano to? It's for my eyeliner. I have my eyeliner. So, I've been wearing eyeliner for 2 months now and I like it. My teeth is getting better. So, yeah. Pagkakain ako, alisin ko yung eyeliner and then put it inside of this container. So, dahil may eyeliner tayo, we need this. So, I need floss kasi dapat mag-floss bago ilagay yung eyeliner. And of course, I have my supply with me. My small supply na nakuha ko sa Emirates. Yeah. And I have 1 pack of my vitamin here in case na hindi ko mainom sa loob ng bahay. So, I have it with me. And of course, pag nag-i-edit tayo, kailangan natin mag-AirPods para hindi naman tayo mapagalitan sa loob ng cafe kasi hindi maingay doon. Bawal yung maingay. So, mag-AirPod tayo. So, that is that for my Scorpio pouch. And next, the last pouch. Oops! I grabbed something. So, of course, pag lalabas tayo, we need money. So, I bring my wallet with me. Wallet, tinadali ko din siya pag lumalabas ako. Malamang, okay. Gusto nyo bang makita anong laman ng wallet ko? Resibo lang naman. Resibo! This is a receipt from my Europe trip. Yeah. And old money. Oh, this is also for from my Europe trip. When we went to the Pina Palace. And of course, I have my insurance. And so, dito sa US, hindi ako nagka-cash kasi card na lang. And para iwas din sa, alam mo na, germs. Lalo na ngayon, if you go outside right now, if you, I prepared to bring card. Syempre, yung pera, sobrang dumi. And sobrang marumi. And may nakita akong video noon na nilagay nila sa washing washing machine yung pera, and oh my god, it's so dirty. Mas madumi pa yun kasi yung yung irrigation. Yes. Let's proceed. So I have my video card. Yes, my video card pa rin ako kahit nandito na ako. And my international driver's license, expired na. Yan. This. Ito. And ano pa ba? Ang pwede ko ipakita. Yes, I have my boyfriend ATM card. ATM card with Binal. Yeah. Look. Anong magkasama kami sa Manila. Hindi ko na nabigay. And also have... So, may cash din ako guys, pero ito yung cash na iniipon ko. Yan. Mga iba't ibang pera. So, that's what I like pag pupunta ako sa ibang lugar. Nagko-collect ng money nila. Nagko-collect ka ng memories, and then nagko-collect ka din ng money nila. Yung US card ko naka-separate siya kasi ginamit ko siya kahapon, and I don't wanna touch that now. Kasi, pag nagagamit ka din ng card mo sa labas, syempre, you're putting it into the machine, tapos, may naglalagay din ng, there's a lot of people using the machine, and syempre, hindi mo alam, baka may piracy mo. And, yeah, just in case, so, check ka lang muna. So, now let's proceed to my Emirates pouch. Syempre, hindi naman tayo gandahan. So, I have my retouch pouch with me. So, para sa retouch, of course, malaking ating pisngi. Kaya, I need this with me. The Hula Beauty Contour. And of course, this is what it looks like inside. And of course, I need lip balm. Kasi pag may eyeliner ka na, laging nagdodry yung lips mo. So, I have 2 lip balm here. This and this one. Actually, may lip balm tayo kasi parang dry na siya. Parang dry na siya. And I have my 2 brushes here. Para sa, this one is for the blush. And this is my blush from Sephora. And for my, syempre, ma-oily akong tao. So, I have my powder with me. I like this powder. Kita nyo naman, gamit na gamit, diba? I love this powder from Maybelline. And, yeah, my powder brush and my favorite powder from Maybelline. So, I also love using lip liner than a lipstick. Big lip. That is that for my Emirates pouch, and I think yan lang yung laman ng bag ko. And of course, glasses. Kasi dito sa US, hindi naman sa US lang. So, hindi naman sa US lang. So, this is my sunglasses. So, ito yung sunglasses ko na nabili ko sa Kate Spade. So, yeah, please wear your sunglasses whenever you go outside kasi para ma-protect mo yung mata mo. And of course, my phone. So, if you want my phone, what's inside of my iPhone, or yeah, what's on my iPhone. Kung gusto niyo yung video na yun, please just comment down below. So, yan lang naman yung laman ng aking laman. Yan lang yung laman ng aking laman. If you're watching, salamat sa panonood ng aking video. Thank you. Yan lang yung laman ng aking bag. Ang ingay talaga. Ang ingay niya.